All right, so here's another video on how to graph a linear equation using the y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so the equation of a line is always in its base form y equals mx plus b. M is your slope and b is your y-intercept. Okay, b is your y-intercept, which means this is the point that is going to be on the y-axis. Where the line crosses the y-axis, that is your y-intercept. And your slope is going to be your rise over run. How much you rise and how much you run. Okay. Now you can have a negative rise over run, which means that you're not actually going to rise. You're going to go down and go over one, which is a run. But the only difference is that the positive goes up and the negative goes down. Okay. So let's first graph the first equation. Y1 equals 2x minus 3. So we first want to start off with our y-intercept, which is -3. And I say the y-intercept is where the line intersects the y-axis. So this is our y-axis, and it says that it intersects at -3. So this is where we're going to put our first point. And this is where you start. You always start on the y-intercept. All right. And then from there, you go to your slope. And you're going, if you have a whole number, you're going to put a 1 under it. This is representing the run of the rise over run. Okay. And so this is a positive. So based off of this, we're going to go up 2 and go over 1. Okay. So we're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and go over 1. We're going to go up 2, 1, 2, go over 1. Up 2, over 1. Up 2, over 1. All right, and then we have a line here. We're going to connect the dots. Okay. So we're going to do our second line, y2 equals -3 over 5x minus 4. So we're going to first go to our y-intercept. Our y-intercept in this problem is -4. So that is where it intersects at -4. Okay. And then we're going to use the rise over run. So it says we're going to rise -3 and go over 5. So because this is negative, we're not going to actually rise. We're going to go down 3. Okay, so this is actually going to go off the graph. So I'm just going to do my best to get it right. So we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. We're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and go over 5. Right here. Okay. And if you were to do that again, it will be a similar dot right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm just going to connect the dots from here. And that is your line from that equation. Okay, so remember when you're graphing a equation of a line, or when you're graphing a line, you always want to remember that a line has a slope and it has a y-intercept, and that the slope is based off of rise over run. Okay, thank you.